Stories typically start with the hero just fine in their world. Then something will happen that totally shakes things up and kicks off the conflict of the story. This event, which is known as the inciting incident, should happen very near the beginning of the story, but not necessarily as soon as the story opens up. So for instance, in a mystery, the inciting incident usually involves somebody being murdered or disappearing. This then kicks off a search for the killer by a detective or somebody else. In a romance, the inciting incident could be a breakup. So somebody just gets out of a relationship, which kicks off the conflict of them pursuing a new relationship. Whatever the case, the inciting incident needs to be a major event that really shakes things up for your main character and sets them off on their pursuit of a goal. After the inciting incident, your protagonist is going to have a goal. They're going to pursue that goal in a sequence of scenes. The sort of things they do to go about that goal are going to be influenced by the genre for a large extent. For instance, in a mystery, the things the protagonist does to catch a killer are going to often be interviews with witnesses, or questioning suspects, or investigating crime scenes. In a sports story, the steps that a protagonist takes to pursue the goal could be different training regimens. Whatever it might be, these steps should stay true to the genre, but you're also going to want to get creative and put your own spin on them.